bacon fat, splash of soy sauce up in there. Guys, I made kale chips. They're so good. I used and prepared and cooked and ate the food that I bought. The healthy choices that I bought for over the weekend. Get ready to see what I made with each of the items, guys. How I prepared the kale, the cucumber, and the Brussels sprouts. These are things that I bought over the weekend for healthy choice snack type things or just food. So watch me as I prepare them and see the final result. Guys, I made kale chips. They're so good. I just sprayed the pans, threw the kale on top, shook some of this on it, squirted some of this on it, and I was trying to put the oven on 400, and it's all crunchy. So right now you have here some roasted Brussels sprouts, leftover quinoa, bits and pieces of chicken, and believe it or not, I put some bologna in here. I season that with some little bit of leftover bacon fat, splash of soy sauce up in there. I put a dash of coconut oil in it. And because I understand turmeric's good for me, I try to put a dash of turmeric in whatever I can get away with. And then I put in onion powder. And I'm just going to sprinkle turn the fire down to low, because this pretty much already cooked. Because I had put the Brussels sprout in first, and it's the hardest to cook because it's tougher. But I still like it with a crunch to it. I don't mind. So it doesn't have to be all the way soft. And then I'm sprinkling this leftover. This is all like leftover food other than the Brussels sprouts. And then I'm just gonna set this the rest of the quinoa, leftover quinoa, on top of that. Spread it out, spread it out, spread it out, spread it out. And this is cooking for one person. This can potentially be one meal, depending on how hungry I am, or it can be 2 meals. That can be all one meal and then that. So anyways, I'm going to put the lid on it, the pan, and I have it on low like that. And I'm just going to go away, and it's not going to burn. So if I kind of forget about that I'm cooking, because I do get caught up in whatever I'm doing, I will not have burnt food, which I hate with a passion. Cucumber, I cut up some without the skin on it, some with the skin on it, because I like to get that fiber. So I did clean the outside really, really good. I cleaned it twice back. And then I just left a half of it for a nice chunk that I just maybe want to get on and hold it like an apple and bite on it. But I did cut it up, and then I squeezed some of this Orchard Foods lemon juice from concentrate on it, and shook some pepper on it, and I put some Himalayan salt on it, I think. I don't remember. And then I just kind of had it sitting out, marinating, but I may not have put salt on it, and that's okay because it tastes good and I don't really need the salt. So basically, I was just showing you how I used and prepared and cooked and ate the food that I bought. The healthy choices that I bought for over the weekend.